Bzez also has a variety of bra inserts. So we've got the oval bra inserts, the triangle bra inserts, and the bra fillets, which are clear silicone. Now, I just want to show you how to use the oval bra inserts and the triangular ones. I can't talk. But this is an oval bra insert and it's got a tacky glue. What it's used for is to sit inside your bra, giving you extra volume. So if you've lost a lot of weight and your cup's not filling out as much as you'd like, you can pop one of these in and it's going to fill up the gaps. Especially if you have one breast bigger than the other and you need a little bit of a boost on one side, this product is also great for things like that. But what you want to do is, with the adhesive, is stick it into the bottom of your bra, like so. That way it's not going to fall out whilst you're wearing it, and then when you pop your bra on, it's obviously going to be filling in that gap to give you more of a boost in your bust. Now, it does come in an oval size, and it's got a triangular one as well, and you've also got the clear fillets, which are a little bit thicker and fuller, that you can also pop into your bra, but they don't have an adhesive on either side, so you want to make sure that you've got your bra on and then slot it in underneath.